Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Shopify. So here at their homepage, let's go ahead and go on to settings right here, and then go on to the bidding tab so you can manage your plan, and it will reflect based on your plan. And then once you have managed your plan, let's go ahead and go on to payments. And then here, if you scroll down, you're going to see add payment method. And then the full order amount will be transferred to your designated card or your selected payment method. Also, keep in mind that the available option may vary on your location. So if this video is helpful, click like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer them all. Thanks for watching. See ya.